Learning and preferences take on a variety of forms, and not all people fit neatly into one category. But generally speaking, these are the most common types of learners. Hello all! Today we are going to talk about learning style. Yes, every child prefers to learn in a particular way, whether through eyes, ears or sense of touch. This tends to remain same over a period of time. Let's have a look at the 4 learning styles and the preferences. Learning and preferences take on a variety of forms, and not all people fit neatly into one category. But generally speaking, these are the most common types of learners. Visual learners, they have preference for visual learning. They are partial to seeing and observing things, including pictures, diagrams, written directions and more. This is also referred to as spatial learning style. Students who learn through sight understand information better when it is presented in a visual way. These are your doodling children, the list makers and the student who take notes. Second style is auditory learners. Auditory learners tend to learn better when the subject matter is reinforced by sound. These students would prefer to listen to a lecture rather than read written notes, and they often use their own voice to reinforce new concepts and ideas. These type of learners prefer reading aloud to themselves. They aren't afraid to speak up in class and are great at verbally explaining things. Additionally, they may be slower at reading and may often repeat things a teacher tells them. Our third learners are kinesthetic learners. Kinesthetic learners, sometimes called as tactile learners, they learn through experiencing or doing things. They like to get involved by acting out events or using their hands to touch and handle in order to understand the concepts. These types of learners might struggle to sit still and often excel at sports, or they may like to dance. They may need to take more frequent breaks when studying. Our fourth type of learners are reading and writing learners. Reading and writing learners prefer to learn through written words. While there is some overlap with the visual learning people, these type of learners are drawn to expression through writing, reading articles or books, writing in diaries. They like looking up words in dictionary and searching the internet just for everything. We can know about our child's learning style through the psychometric tests that we have. There are many benefits of knowing learning style of your child. Let's discuss them. By knowing learning style of child, you can discover how your child processes the information best. Some of the benefits may include action. Now, parents can take action based on learning style. Parents, teachers not enforce their own learning style, rather teach the child as per his learning style. Now you will begin to play with intention. Now you will be able to select proper school, take care, educational providers like tuition teachers. You can prevent against the problems child may face due to delayed development of particular skills. You can predict what is going to be the child's next step. You can select proper educational aid, toys and games. You can select proper co-curricular activities for your child. You can fasten the pace of your child's learning. Let's see what impact we can see on the child. Child will start responding better. His learning becomes faster and easier. Vital resources like time and money is now not wasted. You can encourage your child's strength. You can enhance the weak area of your child. Your child would be more comfortable and progressive now. Child's progress won't get hampered and he'll be able to maintain a good pace in spite of delays. Child will be able to work with subject of his interest and excel in it. Child's time will be utilized better. Learning benefits reaped will be more. Money spent will be wisely utilized. You can fasten the pace of your child's learning. Let's see what benefit we can achieve in academics. Now it will give you a head start and maximize the learning potential. This will enable you to succeed in college, school and university. This gives you customized techniques to score better on tests and exams. It allows you to learn your way through your own best strategies. It shows you how to overcome the limitation of poor instructors. It reduces the stress and frustration of learning experiences. It expands your existing learning and studying strategy. It has certain personal benefits also. It will increase your self-confidence. It improves your self-image. Teaches you how to use your brain best. It gives you insight into your strengths, weaknesses and habits. It enables you to enjoy any learning process. Knowing your child's learning preference will inspire greater curiosity and motivation for lifelong learning. It shows you how to take advantage of your natural skills and inclination. Not only in childhood, but also in professional life, it is beneficial. It enables you to stay up to date professionally. It gives you an edge over your competitors. It allows you to manage team more effectively. It guides you in delivering effective presentation to diverse audience. It improves your persuasive and sales skills. It helps you improve cooperation among colleagues. It translates learning power into earning power. In case if you have missed our other videos on parenting goals, multiple intelligence, family climate, career selection, personalities or more, then you can check the links given below. As usual, you can connect with me for queries and consultations at the number given below. Stay connected, do subscribe to our channel as we would be discussing various child and youth developmental, scientific, psychological theories. Also, we will see their practical applications. Do like, share and comment. Also, let more and more people be aware about the practical application of various psychological theories. Thank you.